Today's video is the Fall Beverage Court Entertaining Open Collaboration. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Design with Emma, myself, At Home with Lisa, Debbie Bubbles, and May's Design Corner. Come along with me as I show you my beverage cart. Today's video is decorator cart for fall. Now, I have two carts. I'm only going to decorate one of them, and this is the one that stays out in my outdoor living area. I have two out here, but this is the one I'm going to decorate. It is a 3-tier cart that I purchased at the Goodwill for $9.99. I have went ahead and placed my glasses on this second shelf here, as you can see. So come along, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to put on here is going to be the lamp. And with this lamp, I'm going to put a little, I think, riser on with it, just to rise it up a little bit. So I'm going to use the book here, and then I'm going to put my lamp on top. And the reason I'm using the lamp is so when we out here at night and we're fixing drinks, I can turn on that light so you can see what you're doing. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and add this pumpkin, and then I'm gonna show you all what I have over here, what all I'm gonna use to decorate my cart. So next I'm gonna put the basket with the mixers, and this is my basket, and as you can see here are the mixers. So I'm gonna put that there on the top shelf. So now I have the pumpkin, the lamp, and the basket. I do want to add the flower arrangement. Okay guys, so what I've done now, I've went in and added the flower arrangement and the tequila. So this is the first shelf. This is all I'm going to add to it. I have my lamp, the flowers, the basket, and the pumpkins they're so very thankful for, and my tequila. Okay, now when we go down to the second shelf, all I have are the glasses. So let's go down to number 3. I have a few more mixers on there. I'm gonna add my tea set. So let's go ahead and add this tea set. Okay guys, as you can see, I went in and I added my little tea set here on this third shelf. Next, I will be adding my martini and Rossi and the Gallo wine, some glasses, a couple of more pumpkins. So let's go ahead and finish this third shelf out. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna add the black and white pumpkin, and I'm gonna put it in the back. So we put it back there. I'm gonna add the little black and white pumpkin here on the side of it. Well, if it'll stand up, we're gonna put it right there. it's not gonna stand, so we might have to just leave it laying down. Yeah. Okay, so I have the 2 pumpkins back there. Next, I'm gonna add my champagne. And I'm gonna put 2 bottles down here. I'm gonna push my pumpkin back just a little bit. So now I have my champagne and my 2 pumpkins. And I'm just gonna add my little glasses, and you can see the glasses here. I'm gonna add them around the bottom here. And I'm gonna use 3 of them, okay? So that's what I'm gonna use. So what I'll do is I'll come back and show you the finished product of this pot. Okay guys, I have finished. So now I'm gonna show you the card finish. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the card here. The lamp was from Walmart. The little white vase here was also from Walmart. The beautiful orange flowers were from Tuesday Morning. The basket with the mixers were from Ross's. The pumpkin here, so very thankful for, was from Goodwill. And then I have the tequila. On the second shelf, I have 2 sets of glasses, and they both were from Ross's. Now let's take a look at the bottom shelf. On the bottom shelf in the back, I have more mixers. And in the front, I have the tea set. The tea set is from Goodwill. The tray it's on is also from Goodwill. The black and white pumpkin in the back was a DIY. And then the little black and white pumpkin on the side of it was from the Dollar Tree. The glasses with the leaves were from Goodwill. And then I have 2 bottles of champagne. So that is my cart, you all. I hope I've given you some ideas when decorating your cart for fall. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for hosting this Decorate a Court for Fall Edition. I will be leaving her name in my description box and all of the other creators who are participating in Decorate a Court for Fall. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Decorate a Court, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.